Hello, I am using Atom Interpreter for coding. HTML keyword will auto-complete the necessary code for an HTML5 web page. Under title, I can write optionally any title for my web page. I define the title as responsive image button. Under body tag, I insert a paragraph tag. Its ID is demo. The CSS style option will allow me to define font size for the text in the paragraph. I declare font size for paragraph with ID demo as 35 pixels. The text written is shown in the preview window of the program. Close the paragraph tag. I will use now the CSS button tag to draw a simple button. You can use different styling options for button, but here our scope is to show you the image button. I will define two functions under button tag. My first function will run when my mouse pointer is over the button. I will define these functions later under JavaScript tag. When I move my mouse pointer over the button, the function 1 will run. My second function will run when my mouse pointer leaves the button. It will display a message which I will define in the JavaScript. While if I remove mouse pointer from the button, the function 2 will be invoked. If you can see in the preview window, a button is shown. I may label the button as click, which is also shown. Put the closing tag for button as well. Since I need to make an image button, I need to insert an image file into our page. As you know, we use src to write the file path. I have a saved file on my computer with name turtle. I have provided the relative path to my file using the root directory. If you could see in the preview window, a big image file is opened. I need to make it shorter. I can easily do using CSS styling option. I have squeezed the width of the image to 200 pixels. Our turtle button is looking nicely, but it is still unresponsive. Here comes the JavaScript. As I told you earlier, that in JavaScript I will define my two functions provided in the button. It means, when my function 1 is invoked, then what to display. Similarly do for my function 2. Here, I am defining function as my function 1. I will use getElement by ID command of JavaScript. It means that I will mention the ID of web element whose property needs to be changed. In this case, it is paragraph with ID as demo. The inner HTML will set the content of web element, which is paragraph in this case. It is set to a string value hello. It means the existing text touch me will be replaced by hello when my function 1 is invoked. This event will trigger when I place my mouse pointer on the button. Repeat the similar code for the my function 2. Here, inner HTML command will set the text to don't leave. Now when I move the mouse pointer away from the button, it will change the text to don't leave. Place the mouse pointer over and away from the turtle to see the magic. I have taken that image freely from website and need to make attribution to using this image. You can open the file in your web browser as well to watch your nice responsive button. You may use it as snippet for your future web page. Happy coding!